Hello and welcome to Junction City, Oregon. We are here today at Guaranty RV and my name is Ashley Lundy. We're going to do a quick tour of a recent arrival, a brand new from Winnebago, a 2021 Forza 38W. We don't see these too often because they are the bunk bed model, and this one has a beautiful Mojave dusk paint job on it and is got some really nice options, including the outdoor entertainment and TV center. So we are going to go ahead now and take a look inside. Alright, as we walk in the door of this 38W, you're going to see your disconnect switches immediately to your left. I like that. You don't have to walk inside and wander around in the dark looking for your switches. This one also has our large screen radio navigation up front and a power bed up above the driver's seats. You can also lock that, so that way kids or anyone can't be playing with it when you're not around. And as we move out of the cockpit area, you're going to see we have a booth here. This one turns into a bed, so there's two beds. And then behind that we have, in this one, the theater seat option. And this is going to be across from your TV and your fireplace, so you're going to be nice and cozy if you're watching a movie. Your kitchen has a really nice double stainless steel sink, counter space, large residential refrigerator, and of course this has our, I call it the white, our light colored Sonoma wood in here. And this one is a very special order. You won't see this flooring with this color combination in any other models. This was a special request that Winnebago was able to accommodate us with this lighter flooring than you normally see. So this one is especially bright and open. Further back, this is where the bunk beds come in. We don't see bunk beds in diesels very often, and they did a great job here. There's power plug-ins, there's lights. If you're not going to use it as bunk beds, you can instead use it as extra storage and closet space. It even has a hanger bar built into it. And then across from that you have the first of two full bathrooms. So that way you have a sink, you have a shower, you have a toilet in both of these, which is really great if you're using all the beds in this model. Counting the main bed in the back, the bunk beds, the booth, and then the overhead bed, you have a total of 5 beds in this one. And if you did not want the theater seats, you could technically swap it out for a sofa with a total of 6 beds. And despite all of this, you still have a very large size bedroom. You even have a full-length mirror, lots of storage space, extra TV, and of course your large bathroom in the rear. So this one's very spacious. The large slides, 3 slides including a full wall slide, really open it up. This one has a 2-piece stacking washer and dryer option in it. Thank you so much for watching our quick walkthrough on this 2021 Forza 38W. Again, my name is Ashley Lundy and I would love to answer any questions you have about this or our other models here. You are more than welcome to stop on by and ask for me, or you can call or text me directly anytime at 541-337-2387. Thank you so much for watching.